Hunters are using down products more and more these days as they offer great warmth relative to their weight. But just like all of our other hunting clothing, over time down products like sleeping bags and puffer jackets can become dirty and soaked with body oils. The down can also become clumped from getting wet or poor storage, and as a result the loft and warmth can be far less than what you started with. There's always been a bit of a wives' tale among hunters that you should never wash down products. And I must admit, I thought that myself for quite a long time, but a bit of research is showing me if you're regularly using a down product, washing it every year or every few years for less use will keep it in tip-top shape, and it's a super easy process. First, you need a specialty down cleaning product. I'm using Nikwax Down Wash Direct, and you definitely want to avoid any conventional washing products. And then ideally use a large front loader like you find in a laundromat. Top loaders are no good as that center agitator can wreck the baffles in your down products. While if you can't find a top loader, washing by hand in a bathtub is a good plan B. Add the correct amount of cleaner depending on the item. Select a warm, gentle cycle with a slow spin. And then once the wash has been through, run a few extra spin cycles to remove any excess water. I then repeat the exact same process with another Nikwax product called Downproof. This is just to really improve the hydrophobic properties of the down itself and the waterproof rating of the outer layer of the bag. Then as soon as possible, tumble dry on a low heat in a large dryer and add something like tennis balls to really tear apart and add loft back to the down. If you have a synthetic bag or puffer, always check the label, but they're usually a little bit less fussy. They use the same process, but rather with specialty products for synthetic insulation. It's a very easy process, and the end result is a cleaner bag that's more breathable, has higher water resistant down and outer layer. It'll have higher loft that's going to keep you warmer out on the hill, and it's going to increase its lifespan. Using a liner and airing the bag properly when it's not in use is also going to help. To check out the full range of the super lightweight but warm down gear and the Nikwax cleaning products, head down to your local Hunting and Fishing New Zealand store.